Hey guys, welcome back to my another video. First of all, I would like to wish you a very happy technology day because today, in the sense, May 11 is considered as National Technology Day. So have a great tech year ahead. So in this video, we are looking at 30 fun facts about technology you didn't know about. So my name is Anantraj, you are watching Anonymous Tech channel. So are you ready? Let's get started. If you are new here, welcome. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for future updates. Fact number 1. The majority of the people plug in their USB wrong. 86% of the people try to plug a USB drive to a device upside down. I am also one in that percentage. That makes me feel a lot better about getting it wrong every time. Fact number 2. Android is a gender specific. The word android literally means a human with male robot appearance. The female equivalent of this word is a gynoid. Number 3. Google searches hit the billions every month. There are over 45 billion Google searches each month. In April 2020, the top 3 most Googled words are Facebook with 250 million searches, YouTube with 200 million searches, and Amazon with 150 million searches. Fact number 4. Technology is now influencing baby names. In 2019, at least 20 girls were named Apple, 92 boys were named Mac, and at least 45 girls were named Siri. Alexa was the 32nd most popular name for the girl born in 2015. Fact number 5. Blind people can also use cell phones. There is a special braille technology and accessories for blind people to use cell phones. It uses special pins that go up and down so that user can touch and read the information in the device. Fact number 6. The first cell phone call was in New York City. In 1973, the first ever mobile phone call was made by Martin Cooper, an employee of Motorola, made from the street of the New York City. Fact number 7. The first commercial text message was sent in 1992. On December 3rd, 1992, a software architect, Sema Group, used a computer to text Merry Christmas to a Vodafone employee who was using a Orbitel 901 handset. These days, over 6 billion texts are sent per day. Fact number 8. Over 7,000 new computer viruses are created and released every month. This number has drastically risen since 1990, at which point there were only 50 known computer viruses. Today, 90% of emails contain some form of malware and most people don't know about it. Fact number 9. There are more likes than photos on Facebook. Every day over 350 million photos are uploaded to Facebook, while 850 million likes are given out per day. By contrast, there are only 180 million love reactions each day. Fact number 10. Comic Sans is the most hated font in the world. Comic Sans was designed to be an unserious handwritten style font to use in the comic books. Although everyone loves to hate on this tasteless font, it is actually very useful for dyslexic people. Fact number 11. NASA's internet speed is 91 GB per second. The average household internet speeds are roughly around 30 Mbps. That's usually fast enough to watch Netflix or YouTube with no buffer. And let's face the fact, if there is any tech company that would actually make use of internet, then it's NASA. Fact number 12. The most expensive phone number cost millions. Back in 2006, Qatar Telecom hosted a charity auction where they sold the phone number 666-6666. Actually, it sold for $2.75 million and bought by an anonymous bidder. Fact number 13. Mark Zuckerberg is colorblind. The founder of Facebook purposely chose a blue color scheme because he has red-green color blindness. To him, blue is the richest and most prominent color that he can see. Fact number 14. 40% of American couples meet online. Online dating is hugely popular these days and apparently it seems to work. 40% of couples who got together in 2019 met online. Fact number 15. Music contents makes up 5% of YouTube. Even though 5% seems like a low number, it is most engaged type of video on YouTube. They count for 20% of YouTube's total views. Fact number 16. Finding a security bug in Facebook's code will pay off. To be exact, Facebook pays $500 for reporting any vulnerability in their security. Even better, $500 is a just minimum that it starts at, so you could potentially earn more. Fact number 17. Nearly 1/3 of divorces are because of Facebook. Some of these more specific reasons are things like inappropriate messages to other people, it causes couple to fight, secret social media accounts and doubting the relationship. Fact number 18. The first web page is still running. In 1991, Tim Berners-Lee was working on developing the World Wide Web. That page is still functioning at info.cern.ch, but there is no graphics and no background, just plain text and links on how to use the internet. Fact number 19. The passwords for the nuclear missiles were just a string of zeros. Although the Air Force denies this, one Air Force launch officer Bruce Blair says they are lying. For 20 years, the password was 8 zeros all in a row. Fact number 20. Over 90% of the world's currency is digital. I don't know about you, but most of the people don't have cash. Between credit cards, debit cards, direct deposit and online purchases, that leaves only 8% of global currency to be a physical money. Fact number 21. Tech companies often test their products in New Zealand. New Zealand is such a diverse country with English-speaking residents. It's a great place for testing. But the main reason is that since it's somewhat isolated, news about the product failing won't spread very fast. Fact number 22. There are fake Apple stores in China. Some of the fake Apple stores are so convincing that even the employees thought they were working for Apple. They are usually selling real Apple products, and the employees even wear the same shirts that actually Apple associates wear. Number 23. Until 2010, carrier pigeons were faster than the internet. When comparing the upload speeds, a test was done to fly a carrier pigeon with USB stick 50 miles to an internet provider while racing against an internet upload. The pigeons made it in just over an hour, while the upload took over 2 hours. Fact number 24. An average 21-year-old has spent 5,000 hours playing video games. These days, by 21, you will have also sent 2.5 million emails and text and spent 1 million hours in a cell phone. That's a lot of time. Fact number 25. Most of today's successful tech companies started in garage. That's right. Aside from just Apple, other huge name companies started with humble beginnings. HP, Google, and Microsoft always started in a garage. Fact number 26. Most internet traffic isn't from real humans. About 51% of the internet traffic is non-human. Over 30% is from hacking programs, spammers, and phishing. Be careful, guys, with your computer security. Fact number 27. CAPTCHA is a long acronym. It stands for Completely Automatic Public Turning Test to tell computers and humans apart. Even though some artificial intelligence can get through CAPTCHA, it's still useful in blocking some bots. Fact number 28. The 3 most common passwords are also the weakest. The top 3 most used passwords are 123456, password, and 12345. Fact number 29. Digital tech is good for the environment. It is estimated that digital technology could reduce global carbon emission by 20% by 2030. That's equal to getting rid of 100% of China's emissions plus an additional 1.5 billion tons. Great, right? Fact number 30. Domain name registration used to be free. Way back when people didn't realize how huge the internet would be, registering a domain name was free until 1995. When a fee was introduced, it was high. Prices were typically $100 for 2 years of registration. This is a bonus for those who watch it till the end. Fact number 31. Alexa is always listening to your conversations. This probably isn't new to you. Siri, Google Assistant has been doing it forever. Alexa stores your dialogue history to its cloud to help improve your Alexa experience. So friends, this is for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Yo.